Okay, right now I am going to be unmolding the domino box I made. Alright, that piece is not wanting to come out. Okay, start on this end. Once again, it is storming out. And it's 5:33 in the morning. So it looks like, since these are still bendy, I will more than likely end up weighing them down with to make sure they stay straight. I'll flip these over and look at them after I get them unmolded. This is just the back, obviously. Okay, so I'm assuming this is a top. Looks kind of the same on both sides, although I like the back better. This is the bottom. One of the sides. The other side. One of the other sides. And another side. And I also have 4 turtles that went along with that. Kind of played around with, because I had the clear left, and so I kind of played around with this, adding a drop of alcohol ink into the cup and not mixing it in. So it does look like it did melt together. Well, not as much on this one. This one I'm going to weight and add a little bit more too, because he's going to be missing a foot. Or, well, he's going to have one really thin foot. Oops. And here are the 3 turtles. Okay, so that'll do it for this demolding.